Mr. Noah built an ark. The people thought it was a lie. How Mr. Noah pleaded so, but into the army would not go. Down came the rain and shower. Down came the rain and shower. Down came the rain and shower. Only 8 were saved. The animals went in 2 by 2. The elephant, bear, and a kangaroo. They were safely stowed away against the prey and horrible day. Whenever you see a rainbow, whenever you see